Hey, to welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the this is the Supreme chain license plate frame, license plate plus a frame set, and this is the silver color. This was dropped on October 4th, 2018. This is week number 7. For those of you might have a confusion about they are thinking about getting the red. They are thinking about getting the silver and then the gold as a set, but that's not the case. Okay, this come with the license plate and then license frame. So hopefully I don't need to get my glove. I'm just going to unbox this real quick. See what's come with it. I'm not sure it should come with the shopping bag. There you go. I believe the reason they come with this big box because of the frame and then the size. Ooh. Wow. So this one is $80 plus tax plus shipping fee. Okay. Total come to be around like let me check the price real quick. So the set is $80 plus $10 shipping, and then $7.88 for the tax. So total become $97.88. Wow. So the reason I got this because I know it's gonna be a collectible, and also I have about 91 something of online credit or store credit that I wasn't aware of when I returned the. Well, I did not return. I ordered a package and then I have the underwear and then a boxer and then the socks. It's supposed to be $101 something, but somehow you require a signature. So the package returned back to the Supreme, and then they end up getting me the store credit minus the $10 shipping fee, so it becomes 91 something. So let's give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Be sure you have this barcode. This is the chain license plate frame, and it shows the fall and winter. A49. This is the silver color edition, and OS silver color, and those are the barcode number. Make sure you have that, else your item probably most likely will be fake. Nice packing a tissue paper. Wow. Oh my god, screw fall off. What happened? Oh man. So yeah, unfortunately the bag got ripped, maybe during the shipping. Man. So it has a Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 are the screws. And I guess this is supposed to go through the screws. Yep, like a washer. And here is a nut that goes in there like that. So there are like what? I see 2 nuts. I'm not sure what is this in here, the tube. So anyway, those are the hardware that comes with it. Hopefully it's not missing anything. And here is the box logo, Supreme. This is it is reverse right now. So this is the chrome. I mean the silver one. It is covered in a plastic protective film. And this is what it's gonna look like when you peel it off. Let me just peel this off on the side real quick, because I don't want to peel it off. It is for resale, and I don't want to have a fingerprint. So it is pretty shiny, okay? All right, that's I'm not gonna peel it off. So you got the 4 other holes for your license plate. All right, I'm gonna grab my glove, plastic glove. All right, I got my plastic glove. I don't want to have oil on the finger and get a fingerprint on there. Because if you are buyers, you want to look spanking new without any fingerprint on there. That's what I did to the Supreme, the gold lighter. And that one has been sold. Wow, look at that. No wonder this is $90. Can you believe that? This is like a chain link together. And there are your 1, 2, 3, 4 of the holes for your mounting screws or your mounting hardware. Nice and chrome finish. So this one, you're gonna peel that film off, and then this is what it look like when you mount it. Match the hole and everything, so yep. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in the comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.